Now let's look at this figure 17-34, dealing with wiring methods, passing through partitions. NEC 314.72b. Now, reviewing the box itself, boxes for use on systems over 1000 volts nominal. And then, of course, we see the suitable rules, bushings, shields, or fittings, where conductors or cables pass through the partitions and at other locations. So notice we have the raceway system, but notice the conductors are passing through, straight through, as you see in this illustration. And that's what this figure 17-33 is illustrating to the user of the NEC when they are designing a box and they're going to pull the conductor straight through the box. And as you see, that's exactly what they're doing in this gutter space on the route to the switchgear.